Welcome back to our course on web development concepts. In this lesson, we'll delve into the front end, the part of the web that users see and interact with every day. The front end is built upon three core technologies: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML structures the content, CSS styles and layouts the elements, and JavaScript adds interactivity to create dynamic user experiences. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, defines the structure of web content using elements represented by tags like and. It's the backbone of every web page, organizing content in a meaningful way. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, controls the visual presentation of a website. It manages layout and design aspects like colors, fonts, and spacing, and enables responsive design to ensure websites look good on all devices. JavaScript brings web pages to life by adding dynamic behavior and interactivity. It can validate forms, create animations, and power complex web applications through client-side logic. To streamline development, developers use front-end frameworks and libraries like React, Vue.js, and Angular. These tools provide structures and components that speed up development and enhance performance. Frameworks offer significant benefits. They speed up development through reusable components, promote code reusability, and simplify the management of complex user interfaces, making the development process more efficient. Front-end development comes with its challenges, such as ensuring responsive design across devices, maintaining accessibility standards for all users, and optimizing performance to reduce load times. Responsive design is crucial as it allows a website to adapt its layout to different screen sizes, enhancing user experience on all devices. This is achieved using flexible grids, images, and CSS media queries. Accessibility ensures that websites are usable by people with disabilities. This involves using semantic HTML, ARIA labels, and following Web Content Accessibility Guidelines (WCAG) to make content perceivable and operable by everyone. Optimizing performance is key to a good user experience. Techniques include minimizing HTTP requests, compressing images and files, utilizing browser caching, and implementing code splitting and lazy loading to improve load times. In summary, adhere to best practices like keeping your code clean and organized, testing across various browsers and devices, and staying updated with the latest front-end technologies to ensure high-quality web development. The front end directly impacts the user experience, combining creativity with technical skills. It's a continuously evolving field that plays a critical role in how users perceive and interact with the web. Next, we'll introduce backend development and explore how the front-end and backend communicate. Thank you for joining this exploration of front-end development. If you have any questions or want to connect, please reach out to me on LinkedIn.